Welcome to the whole other video on Vision Flex, where you will learn the goods inwards process using the Flex app. The goods inwards section allows you to access all the information you need on the number of bookings made for the stock arrival and help you check the stock when it's arrived, as well as help you put away the stock efficiently in the warehouse locations. Let's learn the arrival part of the goods inwards process in this video. Open the Flex app and log in. You will see the main menu screen where you can access all the main options. We have covered setting up the user profile for Flex in the location move video. Please check this video if you need it. The goods inwards is the second option in the main menu with a sky blue color. Press the option to open it. In the goods inwards screen, you can see different options to perform the goods inwards processes. Let's go to the first option, which is Unbooked Advisors. If a vehicle arrives without a booking, this option can be used to select the pre-advisors that it's bringing stock for and attaches them to their own booking in the warehouse system, allowing you to handle the stock being delivered throughout the rest of the Flex Goods Inward screens. If you see a long list of pre-advisors, you can filter the entries by simply typing what you are looking for in any of the header columns. You can select one or more pre-advisors that arrive in a vehicle and enter the vehicle registration number in the field next to Arrived button at the bottom. Now, press Arrived button to mark the arrival of the vehicle. You can find these pre-advisors in the Vehicle on Site option as well as in the Checking option. Now, to perform this action for a list of unbooked internal advisors, you can press the icon with two green arrows pointing in opposite directions. Press it again to go back to Unbooked Advisors. Now, go back to the Goods Inwards main menu screen and press the Awaiting Arrival option. Here on this screen, you will see all the bookings requested by customers through the booking sources like telephone or email. The booking entries shown here are created by warehouse staff in the booking diary of warehousing for the customers. The list of bookings is displayed in the awaiting arrival screen with the booking reference number, the details of the transporter, and the number of advice and quantity carried out in the arriving vehicle. You can filter the entries by simply typing what you are looking for in the booking and transporter header columns. Also, you can tick the Today checkbox if you wish to see the vehicle that arrives on the current day. Press on a booking to view a drop-down list of pre-advisors that are arriving in this particular vehicle. Each entry has the details such as the customer purchase order number, customer code, warehouse name, slot number, quantity of stock, and delivery type. If you press on a pre-advised line, you will see a Detail button. Press the Detail button to view the pre-advised screen. Now, go back to the Awaiting Arrival screen. There is an Arrived button on top of the purchase order list to mark if the vehicle has arrived at the warehouse. Then, on the left side of it, you will see an information icon. Press it to see which site and warehouse the stock will arrive in. If the vehicle has arrived at the warehouse, the transporter would quote a booking reference number at the gatehouse, and the warehouse will mark it by pressing the Arrived button. The booking entry will now disappear from the Awaiting Arrival screen. Please go back to the Goods Inwards menu screen and press the Vehicle on Site option. Here, you can find the booking entries marked as arrived using the Unbooked Advisors option or Awaiting Arrival option. Bookings will show here until the vehicle is marked as departed. If you go to the Goods in tab of Warehousing and click the Warehouse option in the Receipts section, the Warehouse Receipts window opens. Select your site code from the bottom left drop-down menu. Here, you can find the same details shown in Flex. These details will help the warehouse function efficiently and time-bound. Now, back in Flex, if you go to the checking option, unlike the vehicle on site screen, the entries will be shown here even after the vehicle is marked as departed, and the entry will be available there until the check process completes. Please watch the next video to continue to learn the goods inwards process from the checking part.